Hey everyone, if you want to use FlowGPT for content creation in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use AI prompts to create videos, blogs, scripts, and social media content easily. First, FlowGPT helps content creators by providing AI prompts for writing, planning, and generating ideas for different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and more. Start by opening FlowGPT in your browser and logging into your account. Use the search bar to find prompts like YouTube script writer, blog generator, or social media caption creator. Select a prompt that matches your content needs. Modify the prompt with your topic, niche, or keywords to get personalized content. Run the prompt and let the AI generate your content instantly. Review the generated content and make small edits to match your style and tone. If you find a good prompt, save it so you can reuse it for future content creation. For better results, always customize prompts with your niche, audience, and content style. A common mistake is using prompts without editing them, which often leads to generic content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use FlowGPT for content creation in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.